Hey guys, you're watching Lightning Rocket, and in this Perler Bead tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this extremely cool Perler Bead spaceship. As you can see, I wanted it to fly like this, but in the top left-hand corner, you'll see that I also made it in a game, and this is how it flew. So if you don't have the right materials to make it in real life, you can make it in-game. This spaceship is going to be one of a small series of them, which is going to be a mothership and one more fighter ship, because personally I think this Voxel series is pretty cool. So now that you've seen today's model, let's begin the assembly. Here is the first set of pieces. Also make sure to go to my Discord to download this PDF file. So now these are the second amount of pieces. And also, again, these are all going to be available on my Discord, which will be in the description. So first, we're going to take the bottom panel, and we're going to take each side panel, and these are the side panels for the front of the cockpit. So we're just going to put it into the front like so. And then we're going to turn the model around, and we're going to repeat the step on the other side. So now we're going to take the front panel, and we're going to turn our ship like this. And we're gonna stick it in the front. Now, we're going to take this small U-shaped piece, and as you can see, there are two holes inside. We're just going to put it in like so. This is just to add a cool effect at the bottom. Now, we're going to take the top, and we're going to just put it on top. Okay, so we're just going to put this aside for now, and we're just going to grab this part, and we're going to flip it around so that this is the back, and this is the front. And we're going to take this long rod, and we're going to stick it through, making sure that this part is one gray bead in. So there's 4 beads on each side. So we're going to take the other panel, and we're going to repeat the step. Like so. Now, we're just going to take the body of our ship, and we're going to put it in like so. Also, to lock it in, you'll see there are 2 gaps on each side. And this is where we're going to be putting in these 2x3s. So we're just going to grab it, and we're going to push it in. Like so. Now, finally, we're going to take the top, and we're going to slide it right under, and we're gonna press it back. Now, this is almost done. We're going to grab these side, let's just say there are fuel containers, and we're going to stick them on so that they're completely in line with the body. And we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Once you've done this, you'll want to add the second one on top. Like this. And like so. So now our ship is pretty much done. We're just going to take this N or U-shaped piece, and we're gonna stick it into the 2 holes of the back of the ship. Like so. Now we're going to take these small squares, and we're gonna push them in 2 beads. And this one is gonna go in 1 bead. So we're just going to repeat the step on the second, like, skewer resembling thingy. So once this is in, this is going to be our idle fuel thrusters, like so. So if you want it to be, let's just say, in orbit, you can just put it on like so, so that the orange parts don't really come out. But if you want it to be going, flying around, you can just take this thing off. It's slightly convertible, so you can take it and you can push this end piece down, and it can be like the orange flames are coming out of the engines. So now I'm just gonna put it in like so, and now our ship is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed building this model. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, probably in the new year.